Hi, I'm Tina, registered respiratory therapist and certified respiratory educator. And I'm here today to kick off a new video series that we'll be doing, Jenna and myself, with our theme for this year, which is put your breathing first. So we'll be doing a series of video conversations between Jenna and myself, and most importantly, with you. So the theme is put your breathing first. And what does that mean and how do we do that? So stay tuned for this year as we put out a couple videos every month to help answer that question and break it down into specific solutions that can help you live your life without feeling that your breathing is holding you back. So making good decisions for your breathing so that you're free to do a bunch of other things. And so the question I'll be answering in this video is, how do I prioritize my breathing? And this month I am dealing with having a cold. You might be able to hear it in my voice, actually. So for me, that's meant some very specific changes that I've had to make during the last week or so. And so things like taking my inhaler more often, because my prescription does allow me to do that if I'm feeling short of breath. I've had to start using some breathing techniques to clear some mucus that I've had, and making sure to do that regularly, as well as taking some other medications to manage the cold. And then the other thing is I've had to make some schedule changes to free up some time so that I can get more rest in. And so then that's allowed me to put my energies into just those specific high priority items that I needed to get to during this time. So I've actually made quite a few changes just to manage this cold, but it's gone well, and I knew that I had to do that. And by sort of consciously taking that time to plan it out and know that I'm doing all the right things, let me rest better and let me put some energy into other things. So this is just some changes I've had to do this week. For the rest of the year, it might look kind of different. And so I will pose the question to you, Jenna, in the next video to answer, as well as to you, the viewer, to post in the comments below, what do you do to put your breathing first? Let's plant that seed for this year. The theme for 2025, put your breathing first. What does that mean to you?